1, Ryanair, clear about 9, clear.
That's 5 Lima Echo, 230 knots swim level.
Okay, level 205 to Echo.
77 Charlie, climb to level 160.
160, Shamrock 77 Charlie.
77 Charlie, contact Shannon now on 119.075. Thanks for that.
Sorry, say frequency again, please.
119.075.
19075, thank you, Shamrock 77 Charlie.
Just want to fly over train, actually. The airfield is a football ground near the airfield.
5 Lima Echo, contact approach 121.1.
121.5 Lima Echo, away.
Feels nice over there. That's the football ground. So the airfield is literally, yeah, you see that red, well, you can see that red house in the state, or that red low house alone. That's the runway there. Yeah, super, and that's trim. So I arrive in trim at 15:15. Oh, it's 18, so it's 15:15, that's what. 15. 18, 3 minutes ahead.
Hello, Shamrock 27 Victor, descending flight level 130, 250 knots, routing admin.
27 Victor, descend to level 80 to be level by Carol.
Flight level 80, level Carol, Shamrock 27 Victor.
Oh, Karen, next time I'm gonna put some. I have one camera that I can put it here. So this is the runway, just in case. Hold the altitude.
Romeo Oscar Lima Foxtrot.
Trim, so I run a trim of $15.
Oscar Lima Foxtrot, go ahead.
This is good.
This is Squawking 0431, PA32 from to Echo Golf November Golf in the United Kingdom. I'm currently just south of being Portaloo 2000
Golf Lima Foxtrot, Roger, Dublin Connect.
Yeah, I hear somebody say United Kingdom.
008.
United Kingdom. Yeah, this area is, but just looking at it, you know it's not that good.
Stroke 1 Tango Victor, clear track 2 Sirux.
Stroke 1 Tango Victor.
You know, so, from Trim to Kirkuk is 169.
Howard heading 220, descending 130.
Going to be 2565.
169
or 0.
Let's do a level here first.
No, Tango Juliet, speed 230 knots, contact approach 121.1.
So what I have here is 150, I have 150, 165. So, and then trim, the Kirkuk is 170. So, yeah.
37 Foxtrot Romeo identified on departure, climb to level 120.
Level 120, Ryanair.
I'm climbing again, let me just going down. Third trim, so 170 roughly there. Okay. One 1008 170. So 170 here for the next 10 minutes. So I should arrive at 25.
Stubart 56 Romeo, contact over 180, good day.
21.
180, 56 Romeo. Cheers, mate.
10. 170, that's good. $170, that's still okay.
Canadian 2565, turn left to Kara to resume the 1 Lima arrival.
What I'm looking for is that mass.